Dear listeners, we want to consider some methods of solving P.D.E. This is Lagrange's method of solving P.D.E. and it is applicable to first order linear partial differential equation. So the Lagrange equation is given as capital letter P, PP, QQ equals R. So if you want to solve this example, P, Y, Z plus Q, Z, X equals XY. If you compare this equation given to us with Lagrange equation, you will realize that this is small letter p, yz is equivalent to capital letter P, zx is our capital letter Q, and xy is our R. So if we substitute this into Lagrange subsidiary equations, what is Lagrange subsidiary equation? It says the x over p equals the y over q, and this equals the z over r. So if our p is yz, our q is zx, and our r is xy. So we are going to obtain the x over our p, yz, the y over zx, and the z over xy. So from here, we obtain these two ratios, the x over yz equals the y over zx, and the y over zx equal to the z over xy. So let's begin with this. If we multiply both sides of this by z, we are going to obtain the x over y equal to the y over x. So this is what we are going to obtain, and then multiplying, we have x dx equals y dy. Then we can integrating. We're going to have x squared over 2 minus y squared over 2 equals c1. And then this can further be simplified as y squared minus x squared minus y squared equals 2c1, which can be written as x squared minus y squared equals a, where a is 2c1. In the same manner, we can solve this by multiplying both sides by x. When you do that, we are going to obtain the y over z equals the z over y. Then multiplying as we did previously, y dy equals z dz, or y dy minus z dz equals 0. So integrating this, this will yield y squared over 2 minus z squared over 2 equals c2, which can further be written as y squared minus z squared equals b, where b is, we can write this as 2c2. We can write it as 2c2, and y squared, this is 2c2, y squared minus z squared equals b, where b is 2c2, where b is 2c2. So we can bring the two solutions now and write it as, so the solution to the P.D.E can be written as 5 into x squared minus y squared, comma y squared minus z squared equals 0. Thank you.